you're a beginner in makeup, you might have heard that skincare before makeup is important, and if you haven't heard that, then you're in the right place. Skincare is vital to makeup application, and this is because it makes the application of makeup smoother and it makes sure your skin stays healthy. So without a skincare regimen before makeup, you'll most likely end up with a greasy face, clogged pores, blackheads, breakouts, and we don't want that, right? Yes. So a basic skincare routine should include cleansing, moisturizing, and priming. In this video, I'll be focusing on moisturizing, and I'll also be recommending some affordable face moisturizers that you can wear under your makeup. If you're a beginner and you've been wondering what moisturizer to buy that will be perfect for your base or your skincare regimen before makeup and still be affordable and still has quality, then this video is for you, as I'll be recommending some very affordable moisturizers. You don't have to break the bank for these products, okay? If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adeline Opera over here. I'm a beauty content creator and lifestyle vlogger. I'm also a makeup artist, so I know what I'm talking about. There are affordable and quality moisturizers that you can buy that will still give you that flawless makeup look. You don't necessarily need to buy high-end products if you cannot afford it right now, okay? Now, a face moisturizer is a lotion or cream, emulsion, ointment, or balm formulated with emollients that help the skin to stay hydrated. Moisturizers hydrate the surface layers of the skin. Their main benefit is that they seal the skin, locking in moisture and nutrients while protecting the skin from environmental irritants. Now, in the case of makeup, moisturizers protect the skin from the chemicals in the makeup that could potentially cause breakouts or clogged pores. Another benefit of a moisturizer is that it smoothens the skin for a more even foundation or concealer application, and it can also help your makeup to stay on longer. Now, hydrating or moisturizing your skin before makeup will help it to look less dull, so your skin will be so glowy and fresh. And applying foundation on dry skin without a moisturizer will make it to look cakey. Now that we understand why moisturizing your face before makeup is very necessary, here are 6 affordable moisturizers that you can use under your makeup. Number 1 face moisturizer that I'll be talking about today is the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, and it goes for 4,000 naira. The small bottle though, the small bottle. So this particular moisturizer absorbs quickly and hydrates the skin. It is non-greasy and contains a blend of 6 moisturizers and essential vitamin E and B5 to provide long-lasting hydration for a healthy looking skin. It is fragrance free and it is suitable for all skin types. If you have a sensitive skin type, then I'll recommend this particular moisturizer for you because it is fragrance free and it will not easily irritate your skin. This particular moisturizer is also non-comedogenic, that is, it doesn't clog pores. It's very gentle and it does not irritate your skin due to the fact that it does not contain fragrance, okay? So if you have a very sensitive skin, then you should definitely go for this particular moisturizer, okay? Yeah, so next moisturizer on my list is the Berger and Omarico Hydrating Primer, which is called Hydrate, and it goes for 5,500 naira. So this particular moisturizer is lightweight and it absorbs quickly. It has a high water content and it hydrates the skin intensely, and it gives your skin that plump feel, that supple feel. The thing with this particular moisturizer is that it has 2 functions. So it acts as a moisturizer and it also acts as a primer. So when you apply your foundation on this particular moisturizer, it has a good grip on your foundation. After applying this particular moisturizer, you can definitely go in with your foundation. And for me, if you have an oily skin, then please go in with your matte primer, okay? It's a very good substitute for the Milk Hydro Cream Primer, and it's very affordable for a product that acts as a moisturizer and a primer. So you can definitely get this moisturizer. it's going to do wonders for you. Okay, so the third moisturizer on my list is the Mismatix Moisture Potion, and it goes for 4,000 naira. Okay, so this particular moisturizer is lightweight, non-greasy, non-comedogenic. That is, it does not clog pores. It contains hyaluronic acid and it helps the skin to lock in moisture. It is suitable for all skin types. It is a water-based formula. Okay, so for me, I'll say that this particular moisturizer is suitable for oily to combination skin type, and this is because it is water formulated. Okay, it deeply nourishes and repairs the skin's ability to lock water and moisturize, rejuvenates, and makes the skin delicate and tender, feeling all plump and smooth and also very supple. If you are very interested, you can also get this particular moisturizer as it is suitable for all skin types. But for me, if you're oily to combination skin, you should definitely check this particular moisturizer out. Okay, next moisturizer on my list is the Mismatix Moisture Balm, and it goes for 4,500 naira. So this particular moisturizer is from the same brand as the Mismatix Moisture Potion, and they have two different purposes. So it's also like the Moisture Potion, only that it is cream formulated, while the Moisture Potion is water formulated. So because it is cream formulated, I would advise people with oily skin like me to, you can use it, you can definitely make use of it, but then if you're going to use it under your makeup, then you should definitely go in with a very good mattifying primer, or better still, opt for the Moisture Potion. Yes, because I believe that moisturizers that are water formulated are best suitable for people with oily skin, because cream formulated moisturizers have a bit of oil in them, and we as oily skin people don't need more oil, as we already have enough oil in our bodies. I would advise to go for water formulated moisturizers. Okay, so I noticed that when I was using this particular moisturizer, it still gives me that shine under my makeup, and if I don't use a mattifying primer, I'll still have that shine. But if you're going for a dewy finish, then you can opt for this particular moisturizer. But if you're not, then you should definitely opt for the Mismatic Moisture Potion or the Brega and Omarico moisturizer called Hydrate, or the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Facial Moisturizer or Even Tone Day Cream with SPF 15. So this particular moisturizer goes for 2,500 naira. Or it might be higher now, sir, but 2,500 naira. Okay, so now this particular moisturizer isn't very popular as a makeup moisturizer, but I noticed that it was very good under my makeup, especially since I have an oily skin, because after applying it and then applying my foundation and everything, it didn't give me that shine, or even after applying it didn't really give me that shine. Okay, I'm very oily and I like to limit or reduce the appearance of shine on my face, because I prefer to have a matte finished makeup look, and this particular moisturizer did just that for me. It is enriched with even tone pure active vitamin E and SPF 15, which works to visibly reduce the appearance of dark marks, that is black pores and the rest, while protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. If you're okay with this particular moisturizer, then you can definitely get it, especially if you have oily skin and you're like me, that you don't like the visible appearance of shine, too much of shine on your face. So you can definitely opt for this particular moisturizer. But if you have a dry skin, then I'll advise you not to go for this particular moisturizer. Yes, the price is nice and all, but if you have a dry skin, then please stay away from this particular moisturizer, because it will leave your skin drier. So I'm oily skin actually, and I didn't get the same moisture that I got from the Mismatix Moisture Balm or the next moisturizer that I'll be talking about now. which is the last moisturizer on my list, and that is the Blossom Makeup Moist Essence Moisturizer, and it goes for 3,500 naira. This is the moisturizer that I'm currently using, and guys, this moisturizer, it is the Balm. I know I was supposed to use this Balm for the moisture bomb, but honestly, this particular moisturizer, it dehydrates. Like, it dehydrates. I know I'm oily skin and all, and I should not really be using it, but when I use this particular moisturizer under my makeup, I use a mattifying primer as always, and I love using this particular moisturizer without makeup, because when I use this moisturizer without makeup, like, it makes my skin glow. Like, my skin, they glow with this moisturizer. Honestly, have oily skin, if you can, if you want to, then please get this moisturizer. If you love the way it's looking on my skin, then you should definitely get this particular moisturizer. It's awesome. But if you have dry skin, like if you are struggling with dry skin, you see this moisturizer, my brother, my sister, go and get it in the market. Okay, moisturizes and nourishes the skin texture and elasticity, makes the skin soft, smooth and supple, and be used in the morning as a moisturizing makeup base and at night as a moisturizing night cream. So this particular moisturizer contains hyaluronic acid, which is a clear gooey substance that is naturally produced by your body. So its main function is to retain water to keep your tissues well lubricated and moist. Okay, so if you have an oily skin, you can get it, but this particular moisturizer is mostly for people with dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, then definitely go and get this particular moisturizer. Okay, all these moisturizers can also be used as normal face creams or normal face moisturizers, and they are also very affordable. There was no moisturizer in this list that was above 5,500 naira, so everything was below 6,000 naira. Now that we've talked about moisturizing, so you might want to know more about priming your face before makeup, as priming is very essential in your skincare routine. It's the glue that holds your makeup together. Okay, check out this video where I talked about the benefits of priming your face and how and when to prime your face. I also did a video on how to know the right primer for your skin type. So if you're interested in it, then click on these videos. Okay, click on these videos, and on that note, I'll see you in my next video. Bye loves, bye bye.